everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I have another Ashton-Drake Galleries bridal doll. I believe, I want to say this is the 1960s doll. There are 4 in this series. We've got 1900, 1930, 1960, 1990. The premise is that all these dolls are related to each other, mother-daughter, on and on. And they take the same wedding dress starting at the 1900s and change it up each couple of weddings to meet the time period that they're in. So I'm pretty sure this is the 1960s bride wearing the same dress, but she altered it a bit. So yes, this one is from the 1960s. Here's a picture. They each come with a certificate of authenticity and they're numbered. And this one is, like I said, supposed to be from the 1960s, and her name is Lisa, I think. No, this is Beth. This is Beth. Beth from the 1960s, yeah. Yeah, Lisa's from 1990. That'll be in the next video, okay? So this is what she's supposed to look like according to the picture. I always find this interesting because typically my experience has been the photograph is kind of so-so when it comes to actually matching the doll. So we'll see what Beth really looks like. Let me pull her off here. Oh, hold on. What is this? This looks like it's, oh, it's still in there. Oh, she's got like a little pillbox hat. Cute. Okay. We'll put that on her. She is. All of them have come on stands. So they have a stand. These are 20-inch dolls, so they're on the big side. Oh, she has another big train. Oh, wow. Oh, interesting. So she's got little rose trim around the train. These dresses are satin with lace trim. Okay. Dokies. So that picture showed her, they've all got bouquets. Does she have a bouquet? I don't know what that is there. Okay, we'll see. Let's see. Oh, and hey, she doesn't, interesting. There's no, she doesn't have a stand. The other 2 dolls had a stand. Well, what's up with that? All right, she also has bloomers. All of them have painted on shoes. And these are porcelain dolls with cloth bodies and partially cloth arms and legs. Let us take her. Mess up anything. There we go. All right. She has little pearl dangle earrings. No necklace. She's got a little like bouquet flower thing right there. Her hair's up in a bun. She also has beautiful blue eyes. Those are inset eyes. Those are really pretty, especially against that dark hair. And painted on lashes. She's got a nice little manicure. I don't know if the other ones, I didn't check the other ones. I bet they do have them. And she's got this quite large, but I bet she's not, no, she's not going to, is she going to stand by herself? Is she, hey man, she stands by herself. Well, that's surprising. All right, so let me get her, look how poofy this is. This is interesting because the 1930s dress was quite narrow, so how she got all this extra fabric out of that 1930s dress is kind of interesting. I don't know how that happened. Supposedly they're using the same dress and just altering it, but when I show you the I'll put at the end, I'll put all 3 dolls together, and you'll see that the 1930s dress is quite a bit more narrow. But she's got these really beautiful trimmed layers of skirt. All right, so let me get this stuff out of here. Oh, you know what? I think those are gloves that she's holding, which is a little weird that she doesn't have her, you think she'd have some flowers, but okay, well, let me get this on her and I'll be right back. Okie dokie, here is Beth. She has this little pill type hat. It came with 3 little hat pins, and the netting goes over her face, so that's very 1960s for sure. Almost 1950ish to me a little bit. This necklace, I got it on her. There's no clasp. It is on elastic, so I had to roll it over her head. Needless to say, I'm not taking it off because I could just see this breaking. And the gloves are here. I'm supposed to put the gloves, I guess, in her hand, but they kept falling out. And then when I tried to fix them, she would fall over on me. And yeah, so she does not have a stand, and she is standing unassisted right now, but it is with a wing and a prayer. So if I were to have her in a display, I would probably have a stand for her just to make sure, because or lean her up somehow against something. But yeah, she's really pretty. Yeah, like I said, I guess maybe early 60s she would work. So let me get out I got it would be her mom and her grandmother and put them all together for you real quick. All right, so here we have the 3 generations of women, the 3 generations of brides all together. And there is actually, this looks like a stand. I don't know what kind of stand it is. I did find this in the box. It's odd looking. I'm not going to put it together right now. I don't understand. There's 3 pegs and 4 holes. But yeah, maybe I dropped one. I don't know. So it does have a stand, which is good. I was kind of wondering. I was like, holy cow. But here they all are. So this is the 1900s. I did a video on her already. Okay. And then, oh, here it is. Here's another peg, I was going to say. And then this is the 1930s. And then here's the granddaughter of this chick from the 1960s. And what's interesting, so if you compare their faces, because they're supposed to be grandmother, mother, daughter, she's got brown eyes. Her face is turned to the side. You cannot move these dolls. They're not articulated at all. So her face is kind of turned to the side. The granddaughter has blue eyes, which you can kind of see. I guess I can pull this up there. You know, she has blue eyes, and her face is kind of tilted down, like she's looking, you know, down, almost not to the ground, but kind of off down to the side. And then this doll's, her face is really more looking up. She also has blue eyes. So yeah, interesting. All right, so I have one more bridal doll. This will be from the 1990s, and this set came out, this collection came out in the mid-1990s, so that's kind of interesting. And again, it's the idea is that they're all related, grandmother, mother, daughter, and then the next one will be the daughter of the daughter. So it'll be great-grandmother, grandmother, mother, daughter. And they're all using the same dress, but they're altering it for the different time periods. That's the scenario that Ashton-Drake and the designer put together for this collection. All right, guys, please give this a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about these dolls in the comments down below. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Thank you.